Hello my friends, how are you? Welcome back to my channel. We still explain how to use Facebook app step by step. Today we will explain how to hide your email address on Facebook. Let's get started and see how can we do that. At first, tap on Facebook app icon. After that, click on three horizontal line which shown on top right. Scroll down a little bit till we get setting and privacy. Click on settings. Tap on personal info. Click on contact info. After that, press on this icon. You will find option here who can see this email address. Press on this. Here you can find three options. First one, public, means that everyone can see your email address. Second one, friends, mean that only friends who can see your email address. The third one only means that no one can see your email address. Press on third option. Go back. Here we reach to the end of the video. In this video we explain how to hide your email address on Facebook. That's it. If you find that our content is helpful, you can support us by tap on subscribe. You can also press on bell and tap on all to get notification for all new videos. By the way, if you have any comments, please don't hesitate to write to us and we will do our best to respond to all comments as soon as possible. Thank you for watching and see you in next video. Bye bye.